Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday! I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do? We like to go through these cabinets and these refrigerator and create a tasty meal for you. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's go through our cabinet and refrigerator, see what we got for this week on Budget Wednesday. Alright, so I'm up in my cabinet. Let's see, do I have anything else to do right now? No. Top cabinet look kind of dry. I'll leave that there for right now. Alright, let's go to our refrigerator, see what we got. Woo! Somebody looks like they've been shopping. I don't know why am I so excited. Oh, look at this. Hey, check this out. I found this really cool vegan cheese in the Publix the other day. I think I'm gonna try something with that bad boy. You know we gotta have our peppers in the business. You know our peppers gotta be there. You know our peppers gotta be there. What else we got? Ooh, we got some jalapeno, some spicy jalapeno. What else we got down in the lower thirds? In the lower thirds, all right, we got some veggies. Nope, don't feel like doing that. Let me see over this side. More veggies. Nah. Let's see what else. Oh, we look limited on this bad boy. Oh, we got some. Nah, I don't know how this. Hold up. 1 second. Trying to find the right stuff. All right, we got mushrooms, so we can try that. We got some cherry tomatoes. What else we got in this bad boy? What else we got in this bad boy? I'm trying to see. Well, refrigerator look dry too as well. You know what? Yeah, let's see what the freezer got. Nah, that means I got defrost stuff. So let's look on top of our top, see what we got over here. All right. We got pasta. We got pasta. We got avocado. Oh man, we got some onions. This is a freestyle Budget Wednesday. So literally I had some old juice stuff that I had from earlier. I made some juice earlier and I had the trash left over. So let me see what I can do with that, right? Let me see what I can create with some cheese, tomato, and peppers and onion and mushrooms. Let's see what we can do. All right, stay tuned. All right, people. So, because we're doing our improv Budget Wednesday, we're gonna get to our garden, get some fresh basil. Look at this bad boy, baby. Look at these bad boys. Pretty little basil. Alright, so we're going to be using this bad boy in our Budget Wednesday. Alright. Alright guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients, I decided to go with a stuffed vegan meatball with our mango jerk sauce. Let's go!
un homme, un Pierre au Paul, un Jacques au Tom.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
All right, everybody, so our finished product is officially upon us. Oh man, this looks so good. Yo, we made some magic right now. So enough for the long talking. Let's see what this bad boy is about. Let's cut it open, see how this thing is perplexing. All right, let's take a look and see here. Oh, let's take a look. Ooh, look at the cheese. You see the cheese in that bad boy? Oh man, oh, hear that sound. Let me, my mouth is salivating, so let me just, oh man, your brother is hungry. Let's take a look here and see. Ooh, spicy. That mango jerk came in. That mango jerk is in the back. Woo! That mango jerk. Woo! That mango jerk right there, baby. Oh my God. Yeah, so that's how you turn nothing into something. This one, I may include it. Oh my God, so spicy. So good. So that jerk sauce hitting just right. Anyways, so yeah, so you're home, go through your cabinets and show you how to make a delicious meal out of nothing. Just all you gotta do is DM me or just send me an email at chefkirk@gmail.com, or just leave a comment below, and don't forget, subscribe, like, share, tell a friend about a friend, and leave a comment. And if you want this recipe, I might give you this one for free on the house, because it was that simple and this is so delicious. Well, thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm about to enjoy this bad boy. Right here. Y'all stay tuned. Peace!